Hey everyone, Lenovo has announced the Legion Go S mobile game console in anticipation of CES 2025. Along with the Legion Go 2 and a Steam OS-based Legion Go S Steam Edition, the Legion Go S is one of 3 future devices in the Legion Go series. This new lineup reflects Lenovo's continued commitment to the handheld gaming market and its ambition to challenge industry leaders. At the heart of the Legion Go S is the AMD Ryzen Z 2 Go APU, built on the Zen 3 Plus architecture. This processor features 8 cores and 16 threads, offering impressive multitasking capabilities for gamers and creators alike. Complementing the CPU is Radeon 800M series GPU based on RDNA 2 architecture. This pairing delivers fluid gameplay and visually stunning graphics, making the Legion Go S a powerful contender in portable gaming space. One of the standout features of Legion Go S is its 8-inch Lenovo PureSight screen. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200, refresh rate of 120 Hz, a brightness level of 500 nits, and 100% sRGB color spectrum coverage, the display promises an ultra-vivid and immersive gaming experience. These specifications position the device as a serious competitor in the handheld console market, catering to gamers who value premium visuals. In terms of memory and storage, the Legion Go S supports up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and offers PCIe Gen 4 by 4 NVMe SSD options of 512 gigs or 1 terabyte. These configurations ensure smoother performance and enhanced multitasking, with 32 gig RAM option potentially setting benchmark for gaming handhelds. Inclusion of high-speed storage and memory underscores Lenovo's focus on delivering top-tier gaming performance. Powering the device is a 55.5 watt-hour battery, which is designed to provide ample gaming time for users on the go. Connectivity options are also robust, with 2 USB 4 ports that support faster charging and expanded peripheral compatibility, enhancing the device's versatility. The Legion Go S introduces a significant design change by incorporating non-detachable Legion TrueStrike controllers. While this marks a departure from earlier models with detachable controllers, the new design retains the console's ergonomic appeal and high-quality build, ensuring comfort during extended gaming sessions. Lenovo plans to release 2 versions of the Legion Go S, a gray model running Steam OS and a glacier white version equipped with Windows 11. The Steam OS edition caters to gamers deeply integrated into the Steam ecosystem, while the Windows variant offers broader functionality, appealing to users seeking a versatile portable computer. Priced at approximately €600, the Legion Go S offers a compelling value proposition given its impressive hardware capabilities. Lenovo's strategy to diversify its lineup is evident, with the Legion Go 2 expected to feature an even more powerful Ryzen Z 2 Extreme processor and Radeon 890M GPU. This broader product range demonstrates Lenovo's ambition to capture a significant share of the gaming handheld market. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.